Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this look using the all-new Huda Beauty neon palettes. This is the orange and the pink palette. Today we're going to be using the orange palette to create this beautiful sunset orange pink look. So without further ado, let's get started. And this is not a sponsored video, so you are going to get my real opinion on this product today. So first step, I just toned my face with the Glow Toner by MintPear. And following the toner, I used the collagen serum and then the vitamin rich daily moisturizer. So now I am moving on to the actual primer, and I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish today, just a little bit of this. Following the primer, I'm going to use just a couple drops of the MintPear Rose Hip Oil. For foundation today, I'm going to be using Smashbox Studio Skin in 1.1, and I'm going to apply this with the MintPear Flat Top Kabuki brush. Today's concealer is Tarte Shape Tape. And I want to set everything in place with the La Mercier translucent setting powder all over with the large powder brush from the MintPear Trio set. In true Huda fashion, I'm going to bake with a beauty blending sponge just right under that eye area. Now we're going to contour with the Shade and Light Kat Von D kit. I'm just going to take the Angled Precision by MintPear. Just going to do a little bit of contouring right here with the side of this brush. For bronzer, I am reaching into the Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush palette, right into the bronzer. And I'm going to reach into this fun bright color today for my blush. And I'm going to take a little bit of this highlighter. I have to have those Huda lips. So today I'm switching up things a little bit because my sister sent me a new eyebrow pencil. So as you know, I'm like so fixed on my IT Cosmetics, but I've been kind of like wanting to try something differently, and I guess I sent that to her telepathically because she sent me this Kiko Milano, which is an Italian brand, and this is in number 3. I can't find my other spoolie, so I'm just going to use the IT Cosmetics to blend it out. I do love the color of it. It's amazing. I love how easy it goes on. It's very precise. And it gets the Rita approval for brow pencils, definitely. I'm going to push my brows up with the Gimme Brow Brow Setting Gel. And here it is. So these are the colors that we are working with today. These are some shimmery colors, some matte colors. Beautiful, beautiful pigmentation here. This is really going to create that beautiful summer sunset look. One thing I want to add is that if you are using a highly pigmented palette like this, it is typical that it will stain your skin even after you wash your face, but to really help with that and also to help with the payoff to make sure that your color is really standing out, using an eyeshadow primer such as the NYX or the Smashbox that I love is really going to help when it comes to getting your color to stand out and be super vibrant, and really the way that Huda really intended for these colors to show up. So let's prime our lid and get started. I'm just going to take a little bit here on a brush and extend this all over my lids. Okay, so these are wild colors, but stop recording. I don't even know when that stopped recording. Oops. So July is my birthday month, so this is actually really fitting because pink is my favorite color, of course. So I love that I'm doing this look during my birthday month. It's so much fun. It's kind of like a celebration. Ah, wild. A stiff shader, and I'm gonna reach for this beautiful middle orange color right here. And this is going to go right in the center of my eye. Just up to the crease. Now I'm going to take a different stiff shader, keeping everything separated, and I'm going to reach for this fuchsia, this matte fuchsia. And this color is going to go on the outer edge of my eyelid. And with these colors, you really just have to pack them on. So your brush is really important, making sure that your brushes are clean before you're using any of your brushes to really get the most out of these palettes. And I'm just gonna run that up into the crease a little bit behind that orange. I'm gonna take a soften and smudge, and I'm going to take this orange here and go right underneath my waterline. All the way. Now taking a curved placement, I'm going to reach in for this bright yellow. And this is going to go right in the corner of my eye. And I'm going to take this up onto my lid. I do feel like I want to warm up this upper brow bone, so I'm reaching in for my Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. This is by Tarte, and I'm just going to reach in for this one up here and just kind of warm up this brow bone a little bit. This is kind of like a shimmery pearl, but it's not super white. Just to kind of calm down my primer that I had on and give a little bit of a highlight up here. Now to kind of complete this and bring this eye together, of course I want to do a beautiful winged liquid eyeliner. So I'm just going to take that right over that upper lash line and wing that out a little bit. For my inner waterline, I'm going to take the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner in the shade Bare. Super blonde moment, but if you have this and you can't figure out how to get more product out, I'm like trying to twist the end, I'm trying to twist the top. It's actually like a pump, so you like pump the product up. You're welcome. I wish someone would have told me that 10 minutes back in my life. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram yet, make sure that you do. It's at Rita Almusa. Pretty simple. Would love to get a direct message from you or a comment. Mascara today is probably one of my favorite Lancome mascaras. Monsieur Big. I just threw on some Ardell Wispies in 113, and now moving on to lips. Of course, with this bright, vibrant look, I am going to keep the lips pretty neutral, and I'm going to go for my darker, deeper nude today, so I'm going to line with my Maybelline Nude Whisper liner. And today's lip is by Shiseido, and this is going to be Whisper 502. I love this nude. I love this color. And that completes the final look. So this is the sunset, fun, beautiful neon look using the all-new Huda Beauty neon palette in orange. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope that you give it a try. If you do, leave a comment below and make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can see all my new videos when they're live. Also, make sure that you like this video if you did find anything helpful. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.